Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to auto-update apps over Wi-Fi only, and now let's dive right in. Now to auto-update or update apps over Wi-Fi only, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just above help and feedback. Tap on settings, and this kind of interface will be over here where you can see the network preferences over here, which is the second option. Tap on network preferences, and this kind of three options will appear where you can see the auto update apps. Tap on auto update apps over here, which is the second option. And on this interface, guys, you can see three options where it says update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data, update with limited amount of mobile data, and update over Wi-Fi only. Now, in order to auto update apps in your Play Store over Wi-Fi only, tap on the update over Wi-Fi only. Then you will start, or your device will start to update your apps from the Play Store through Wi-Fi only. And that being said, guys, this is how to auto update apps over Wi-Fi only. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.